Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Starting October 12th of 2025, there is no more exit or entry stamps on your passport when you visit any of the 29 Schengen countries. So there is a new EES system basically, and what is that system? How is it going to affect Indian passport holders specifically? I'll explain everything in this short video. So watch this video till the end because it is very important for you guys to know and cooperate with the immigration officers. But however, before we get started, as you can see on my screen, 98% of you are regularly watching my content are non-subscribers. So guys, please hit the subscribe button and support my channel. So this is a very big news recently announced by the European Union, and starting October 12th of 2025, when you enter and exit any of the 29 Schengen countries with a valid Schengen visa, you will not have any entry or exit stamps on your passport. Now normally what used to happen till now is you have a sticker visa, and I'll explain about that as well. So Schengen visas are issued in the form of a sticker visa, and when you carry that sticker visa, let's say you landed from Bangalore to France, that is Paris, and in Paris they'll put a seal saying you have entered Paris, and while exiting Europe they'll also put a seal, similarly stamp, like just like any other country. Now that is not going to be there starting October 12th of 2025, and this is constant across all European Union countries, that is 29 Schengen countries. Now with a valid Schengen visa, you know that you can visit 29 countries without any problem, and this process is going to start from October 12th of 2025 and it is going to go up to April of 2026. So full process will be completed April of 2026. So basically what's going to happen is after October 12th, whenever you enter a Schengen country, you have to provide one-time biometrics, and your face will be scanned, your passport will be scanned, and this will be recorded. Face ID, fingerprint and your passport will be recorded, and it is valid for 3 years. So if you land in any of the 29 Schengen countries, there will be a separate kiosk, and this is a one-time thing for 3 years. So basically your identification like biometrics or your face ID or your passport will be scanned, your visa will be scanned, and these data will be valid for 3 years. Now big news is why they have introduced that EES system, that is entry exit system. Now the problem is, you know guys, Europe is suffering from illegal immigration, and there is lot of illegal immigrants coming and seeking asylum in European countries. Countries most affected are France, Italy, Portugal also, because of huge illegal immigrants, and also because of the border. If you see the Schengen countries border, Italy is very vulnerable, Portugal, Spain are very vulnerable of illegal immigrants coming from different parts of the world. I will not mention one country, but many countries there are illegal immigrants coming and seeking asylum in these countries, and they want to basically cut that down. Now you know there are fake Schengen visas available everywhere, and there is a big racket in Delhi which was caught issuing fake Schengen visas. So there is fake Schengen visas made in India itself. So world is very advanced now, and there are fake visas being given, fake stamps being issued in all over crime and mafia racket all over the world. So this is very easy for them to prepare a fake Schengen visa and also prepare this fake stamp. So that's why even your Schengen visa going forward will be a barcode visa, not a sticker visa. Now this barcode will be scanned at any kind of immigration patrol, and they will catch you if you have a fake Schengen visa, because that barcode is going to be very unique, and it is not like a traditional Schengen visa. When you scan the barcode, you will get to know how much your visa is valid for. So all those times of us having a sticker visa or having stamps on your passport will diminish very soon. Now you know countries like Singapore and Dubai have already introduced that biometric system where they scan your face and passport and they let you go into the immigration. Similar thing will be done in Europe, all the 29 countries starting October 12th of 2025. So if you already have a Schengen sticker visa, save that, preserve that, enjoy that, because in future even the sticker visas is going to be barcode visas, which the process will start very soon, and this is for border security controls and to avoid illegal immigration, and non-EU travelers traveling to Europe should have all the valid documentation. And recently also VFS has also announced to bring the valid documents that is mentioned in VFS site. Any other documentation will be invalid. So if you want, see guys, I've already got Schengen visa, couple of times now. So if you need help with cover letter or itinerary, which is like 50 to 60% of your visa, please follow me and then ping me on Instagram. I'm going to prepare it for you at a very, very reasonable cost. It is not a standard template where you go to an AI tool and run request. That is cover letters I'm preparing based on the scenario, based on your profile, based on your situation. Now you might be a freelancer, you might be a software engineer, you might be into business, you might be a lawyer, you might be a doctor, you might be in a different profession altogether, but your cover letter cannot be generic. And all these visa agents, what they do is they prepare generic cover letters irrespective of what your situation is. Now someone might have invited you, your brother or sister might have invited you who's staying in Europe, your friend might have invited you, you might be going to see your children or your parents. So every situation has a different set of cover letter. Now whomever have given cover letters, I'm proud to say everyone have got their visas. I've given to cover letter for more than 100 to 200 people and they have all got their visas. You can check out my Instagram stories for that related stuff. So if you need cover letter which is holding maximum capacity in your passport, please do reach out to me. I can help you in the cover letter at a very, very reasonable and less cost. I'll catch you guys in my next video.